In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect Attack Shack X11 to Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which Xbox console you have, either new-gen Xbox Series S or X, or even old-gen Xbox One, you will be able to connect and use your X11 mouse. This will be done primarily with a USB connection, so all that you have to do is grab a USB cable. Usually there will be one provided with the mouse itself, and then you plug one end of the cable into the X11 and the other one goes into any of the available ports on your Xbox console. So you can find them at the back and the front of the console depending on the mod. Simply look for an available USB port regardless of your Xbox console and plug it in. There's no secret to this. Now, the reason why I recommend using a cable is because oftentimes doing it with the provided 2.4 GHz dongle will not work. Of course, if you want to try, then grab the dongle, plug it into any of the ports, and then see if the mouse itself connects to the dongle when you are using it on a console. The connectivity is usually not as reliable when you are doing this on a PC, but it is easy enough to try. So if you want to make sure that it works or doesn't work, then just plug the dongle in instead of using the cable and see if they are able to establish the wireless connection. If it does, then you are good to go, and at that point you can use the mouse. You will be able to navigate through all of the menus of the Xbox console itself, and when you get inside of a game, you can check compatibility. So not all games are going to support mouse and keyboard. Some games like GTA will not have any sort of compatibility, so you cannot browse through the menus, you cannot move your camera, while others will have full support, such as Minecraft or Fortnite. So all that you have to do is to plug it in with the USB cable. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Attack Shack X11 to Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.